Hey guys, welcome back. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the revised syllabus for AFM for bankers. Okay, so accounting and financial management for bankers. As I hope you guys are aware about the changes for the upcoming examination, which are generally done by the exam conducting body, which is IIBF. So here, like if you talk about the AFM, so we have certain changes. Some modules, like previously it is generally known as AFB. So now they rename it as accounting and financial management. So we have some financial touch as well. Okay. So here in this particular video, we will discuss the detailed syllabus of AFM for bankers. If you talk about the AFM, so now you have four module, okay, and each like if you talk about the each module, so we have different topics, right? So we will start with the module A. So module A, which contain number of topics, like we have first the name of the module one is accounting and principle and process. So it is basically we can say module A is something related to your accounting standards. Okay, what is accounting or the basic uses of accounting and all. Okay, so like definition, scope and accounting standards. Then we have basic accountancy procedures. Then cash and subsidiary books or ledger. Then we have bank reconciliation statement, then trial balance, rectifications of errors, and we have depreciations and different depreciation calculation methods. We have capital and revenue expenditure, bill of exchange, operational aspect of accounting entries, back office function, and bank audit and inspections. So these are the topics which generally you need to cover these particular topics in your module A, which is accounting principle and process. So this is like basic, you can say these are the basics of accounting. So whenever you study accounting, so you need to know about these one. Like when you'll come to the advance of accounting, then you have company account 1 and company account 2, where you'll use these particular terminologies for the calculations or for to understand the fundamentals of any XYZ bank. Okay, so module B is financial statement and core banking. So module B is something related to your financial statements, so where you'll have the balance sheet, or even you'll use the different terminologies which you learn in module A. So here you can see, like we have balance sheet equations, okay, assets and liabilities, and we have preparation of final accounts, how to prepare final account for any you'll find different cases here. Okay, and even if you go through the details of this particular part, you'll find like examiner will give you some cases and you have to solve these particular one, and you have to prepare final account for given company. Okay, then we have company account 1 and company account 2, as I earlier mentioned, cash flow and fund flow of any company, final account of banking companies as well. And here you'll like final account is similar to your preparation of final account, but here you'll find banking related entries. Okay, core banking system, that is CBS, and then you have computerized environment like Tally and other software. So you need the basic knowledge of these particular components. Okay, so module B, financial statement and core banking system. And to understand module B, you need to know about the basics of module A. So like whenever you plan your study, so first go for module A, then come to module B, or even you can skip module B for a time being. Then you like whatever is like, let's say if you planning for AFM subject, so you can start with module C as well, but you cannot start module B without your module A. Okay, then we have financial management, that is module C. So here we have overview of financial market, how financial market work, and what are the basics of financial market, or the Indian financial market, which is further categorized into two parts. One is money market, another one is capital market. So the basic tools of money market as well as capital market. You have a ratio analysis. Okay, so you have to analyze different ratios, and examiner every year they generally ask question based on ratio analysis. They'll give you some data, so on the basis of that particular data you have to analyze a specific ratio. It can be like earning per share or other ratios as well. Okay, then we have calculation of interest and annuities. Previously, if you saw the previous structure, so this financial management or the topics under financial management, what's part of your module A, right? So here you have face value calculation or present value, future value, annuities calculations. Okay, then you have YTM, that is yield to maturity. So that is something related to debt market or bonds market. Forex arithmetics, so overview about forex market, how we generally convert one currency to another. So different methods used for the currency conversions. So that is part of this one. Then you have cost of capital and capital structure of a company. Then you have capital investment decisions and term loan. So capital investment decisions, like again here you'll find different cases. So you have to find the best alternative for any investment. Okay, equipments of leasing and financing, working capital management, and derivative. Derivative is again very important part. So which is part of your capital market, and you have you have future forward option swaps. So along with basic question, you will find some calculation based question from derivative as well, right? The final module is, this is newly added module. Okay, so now we have taxation and fundamental of costing. So taxation, like you have income tax, TDS, deferred tax. So these are specially mentioned in your if you see the books of books which are released by IIBF. So these taxes are specifically mentioned in that particular one, so you have to go through these one. GST and goods and service tax, again very important one. Cost and management accounting, then you have costing method, you have standard costing, marginal cost, and budgetary and budget and budgetary control. Okay, so this budget is something related to company. Okay, let's say if you are running some company, so the how you will allocate the resources and all, so and what are the different methods which are used for the allocation. So these are generally part of this particular module. So fourth module, that is taxation and fundamental of costing. So guys, like if you are planning for JIB 2023, that is like which is the tentative dates are, or the tentative examination schedules which is for May June. So this will be one of the most I would say for this particular subject you have to do some hard work, because like if you preparing from last 6 months or 1 year for this particular examination, this will become very easy. But if you are novice, if you are trying for the first time, so you have to understand these particular basics, and you like along with basics you have to apply these particular things. So then only you can clear this particular examination. Here you will find question based on theory as well as some numericals. Okay, and most of time they give numericals of 2 marks. Okay, so this is the entire schedule or entire syllabus for your AFM for bankers, which is like with if you see the entire syllabus, so there are slight changes which is generally made by IIBF in this particular subject. Okay, so I'll come with the strategy or some videos where you can understand the basics of these particular topics and how to apply these particular topics in financial system, or what kind of questions you may face in your upcoming JIB examination. So we will understand that particular one. So this is it for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.